Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. PyTorch Lightning Metrics is a submodule within the PyTorch Lightning library that provides pre-built and standardized metrics for evaluating machine learning models. These metrics make it easy to assess the performance of your models during training and validation. However, it seems there might be a confusion in your request, as there isn't a specific module called PyTorch Lightning Metrics. Instead, PyTorch Lightning Metrics are usually found within the PyTorch Lightning Metrics module. Let me provide you with a simple tutorial on using PyTorch Lightning Metrics. Ensure you have PyTorch Lightning installed. This simple tutorial demonstrates how to use PyTorch Lightning Metrics, particularly the accuracy metric, in the context of a basic image classification model. Feel free to explore other metrics available in the PyTorch Lightning Metrics module for more comprehensive evaluation. ChatGPT. Sure, I'd be happy to help. Before we start, have you already installed the PyTorch Lightning library and encountered the no module named PyTorch Lightning Metrics error? ChatGPT.